Sahlala ke simiyala uSipho sithi ke akaphume kuphilile ngoba ophilile akamfuni umbona eyisiphazamiso kulomndeni wakhe omusha ke anawo. And leli viki guys uPrince will meet uphilile for the first time after 16 years. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 7th to the 11th of August 2023 on Monday. Nkunzi is asked to eat out of the same plate with Nomkhosi to prove he is really forgiven her. Sipho plans a movie night with his siblings, but it doesn't end well for him. Hleziphi takes her girls out for a night of partying on Tuesday. Nkunzi hopes Bonelo respond positively to an olive branch he extends. Philile shuts Sipho out for his unacceptable behavior. Mzamo reminds Nomkhosi who she is in the bigger scheme of things on Wednesday. Sibonelo is suspicious of Nkunzi's about 10. Biase forewarns Nkunzi about Nomkhosi's motives, and Jeza takes charge of his own fate on Thursday. Ntombi futhi doesn't show up at the second day of the trial. Old wounds bleed again when Prince meets Philile for the first time after 16 years. While Hlelo and NJ cross a line on Friday, Ngidi hates Nkunzi for the punishment inflicted on his son. Nonka becomes Jeza's spokesperson and kicks Sibonelo out of the Xaba house. Mrs. Madlala plans for Sipho's birthday. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.